Circadian rhythms are physical, mental, and behavioral changes that follow a 24-hour cycle. These natural processes respond primarily to light and dark and affect most living things, including animals, plants, and microbes. It is regulated by biological clocks. Nearly every tissue and organ contains biological clocks. Master clock in the brain coordinates all the biological clocks in a living thing, keeping the clocks in sync. In brain, there is a group of about 20,000 nerve neurons that form a structure called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN. It is part of the brain called hypothalamus where it receives direct input from the eyes. Circadian rhythms can influence important functions in our bodies, such as sleep pattern, hormone release, eating habits, and digestion, and also body temperature. When they get out of sync, they might also cause problems with our health. Clinically, evidence suggests that if the circadian rhythm is experimentally disrupted, it can cause metabolic syndrome, obesity, premature aging, diabetes, heart disease, immune deficiencies, and hypertension. Abnormal sleep cycles develop short-term disruptions to our circadian rhythm. It may cause problems with memory and lack of energy. How to take care of our circadian rhythm. 1. Get outside in the morning. Exposure to light in the morning triggers our brain to produce less melatonin. Exposure to sunlight will help reset our internal clock for the day. 2. Avoid heavy meals and caffeine later in the day. These can stimulate our brain to keep the body active. At night, master clock will trigger the release of melatonin, sending signals to the liver, telling it to stop creating enzymes. Instead, turn food into energy. It begins storing the food. The more food we eat before bed, the harder our liver works. 3. Limit nightly screen use. Household light from lamps and blue light emitted from laptops, smartphones, and tablets can trick our brain into thinking it's still daytime. It causes the suppression of melatonin production. Start dimming lights about 2 hours before bedtime. In conclusion, it's not only about 6 to 8 hours of sleep. It's about the timing too.